I said, what helps you as a trader? What helps you determine your profit or loss is your lot sizes. Are you getting me? So, and I said, is the amount you're willing to risk or you're willing to gain. So, this lot size helps you to determine how much profit you're going to make. It's also going to help you determine how much loss you are also going to make. Okay, and I say we have three types of lot sizes. We have three types of what? Of lot size. And number one, I mentioned, I say we have what? The micro what? Lot. We have the micro lot. Number two, we have the what? The mini lot. Number three, we have the standard lot. And I was trying to explain how this lot sizes work. That from, if you're trading a micro lot starts from 0.01 to what? 0.09. While a mini lot starts from 0.10 to what? 0.90. Then a standard lot starts from what? 1. A standard lot starts from what? 1. You can say 1.00. Now, I was trying to break these things down that I just said now for you to know fully how much you're going to make using a what? A micro lot. So let's focus on the micro lot again. Now, talking about just micro what? Lot that starts from what? 0.01 to what? 0.09. And I started writing all of them out. I say we have 0.01. We have 0. Just going off and on. And I'm charging it. Okay. I'm so sorry. So sorry, guys. Just trying to give you all the best. Okay. So I think I'm going to fix. So I said 0.01, we have 0.02, we have 0.03, we have 0.04, and we have what? 0.05. And we have 0.06, we have 0.07, we have 0.08, and we have what? 0.09. And I want us to fix it together. I say 1 pip. Remember, pip is a movement, one movement in the market. If you are using this lot size, what will it give you? If you make 1 pip using this lot size, what will be your profit? Tell me on the chat box. Let's fix it in together so everybody will follow. What will be your 10 cents? Beautiful. So 1 pip will give you what? 10 cents. So if you use 0.02, how many, what is going to be your profit if you make 1 pip? 20 cents. That's awesome. You make what? 20 what? Cents. Okay. So what if you are not trading with 0.03? 1 pip is going to give you what? How many cents is it going to give you? Awesome. 1 pip is going to give you what? 30 cents. Now, what if you're trading with 0.04? how much are you going to get per pip? How much is one pip going to give you? Yes, one pip is going to give you what? 40 cents. Now, if you're trading with 0.05, how much is it going to give you per pip? 0.05, 50 cents. That's awesome. You make what? 50 cents. You make 50 cents, not the musician, but the money on. You make what? 50 cents. So if you trade with 0.06, one pip is going to be how much? 60 cents. That's awesome. You make what? 60 cents. Now, if you trade with 0.07, one pip is going to be how much? Tell me. 70 cents. That's beautiful. 70 cents. Now, if you trade 0.08, one pip is going to be how much? 80 cents. That's beautiful. You get what? 80 cents. Now, if you're trading with 0.09, one pip is going to be how much? 90 cents. That's awesome. So 90 cents. So this is where micro lot sizes end. Do you understand? This is where micro lot sizes end. Okay? So once you have reached 0.09, know that you are no, if that's where micro lot size is what? End. So do we understand now? Do we understand now? Do we understand now? Let me know if everybody understands. Okay, amazing, amazing. So now, if you are done using micro lots, we now have the next lot size, which is what? Who can tell me the next lot size? After micro lot is which lot size? Which lot size we have? Mini, yes, we have the next lot size, which is the what? Mini lot what? Size. Okay, which starts from 0.10 to what? 0.90. Now, here, you are no longer going to be making cents, rather you'll be making dollars. You'll be making what? Dollars. So we have 0.10, sorry. We have 0.20, we have 0.30, we have 0.40, we have 0.50, we have 0.60, we have 0.70, we have 0.80, and we have now 0.90. Now, this is all what? Mini lot sizes. All these fall under the category of what? Mini lot sizes. Now, the financial implication of this is what I'm about to show you now. That if you trade with, if you make one pip using 0.10, you're going to make what? $1. You make $1, no longer cent. 0.20, which is 0.20, you make what? $2. 0.30, you will make what? $3. 0.40, you will make what? $4. I'm currently taking a trade and I'm using 0.50. Each pip is going to give me what? $5. Are you getting me? And if you're using 0.60, each pip is going to give you what? $6. If you're using 0.70, How many dollars are you going to get for 1 pip? $7. That's amazing. You're going to get what? $7. I'm glad you guys are following. So how about you use 0.80? How much are you going to make in 1 pip? Yes, 8 what? $8. Now, if you use 0.90, how much are you going to make per pip? $9. So are you now seeing how this lot sizes work? Okay, you have $100 in your account. My brother, don't go and look for anything on mini lot size. Stay on what? Micro lot sizes. If you have $100 in your trading account, $50 in your trading account, you don't have any business with what? Mini lot sizes, except you're a greedy person. That is your own concern. Are you getting me? But now, these are for lot sizes for people who are trading with up to $1,000, okay? Up to $500 and above. So later I will show you a chart that shows you your amount, the amount of money you are trading with and the lot size you are supposed to what? Use. Because if you go and use a lot size that is above your account, there are two implications. If you make any loss, let's take for example, you have $100 in your account. Are you getting me? And you use 0.10, for example. Let me clear this. You have $100 in your trading account. $100. Are you getting me? And you use 0.10, for example. Now you entered a trade and you lost 20 pip. Do you know how much that is? Do you know how much that is? That is $20. If you lost 20 pips here, if you lost 20 pips, you have what? You have lost how much? $20 out of your account. Your account will now go from $100 to what? Minus $80. It means in one trade, you have lost over what? 20%. You lost 20% of your entire account just in one trade. Is that a good trading decision? Tell me, let me hear. Is this trader, is it a good trading decision? No. Remember what I told you the last time. You do not risk more than what? 2%. You do not risk more than 2% of your entire account per trade. Okay? You do not risk more than what? 2%. So let me give you a scenario of a good trader. Now he enters the same trade, but with a good lot size. He has $100 in his balance. He enters the same trade using a 0.01 lot size, which means that each pip is what? 10 cents. Now, if this trader loses, if he loses 20 pips in this trade, how much has he lost? Who can tell me? How much has he lost? If he loses what? 20 pips. No?
20 cents.
Yes. Kingsley got it. Kingsley is the first person that got it. If this trader loses 20 pips, this trader has lost $2. Are you getting me? Now he has only lost what? How many percent? His account will be what? Minus 98 what? Dollars. He has only lost what? 2%. And in the next trade, he can easily make back that 2%. Are you getting me? He can easily what? Make back that 2%. So lot size, this is where greedy, people always get greedy. In fact, everybody that has traded forex, this is their problem, including me. So some of you, you think that it's your village people that is doing, you know, it's your lot size. You are using the wrong lot size because greed must always enter. You take your first trade with 0.01 and you make 20 cents. The next thing your mind will be telling you, why don't you increase your lot size so you can make more? So many greedy people, greed. In fact, when I'm teaching you risk management, you will see how dangerous it is to use a lot size that you're not supposed to use. Are you getting me? You can win. You can win 1 or 2 trades with it. But when they fire you, my brother, you will lose. Yes, because when I started trading, that is the same mentality. And that's some of you are going to, you can't escape it. You must lose. And as you lose, you learn. Don't give up. Once you lose, you learn. You must not give up. You get? You lose, you what? You learn. Let me hear you say that. You lose, you learn. Put that. You lose and you what? You learn. Now, even me, I've learned too. I didn't become a star trader just like that. I've had so many failures too. Thereby, the first money I used in trading forex, I loaned it from my sister. You know, that was $100. I was so excited with so many things I've read, so many information I've gotten. You know, I deposited $100. Within 1 week, I was trading, trading. I was so excited. Within 1 week, I grew this $100 to $300. Yeah. You know, at this stage, when you have made this kind of money, you start pricing cars and you start pricing land, you know, because you have seen an oil well. You understand? And by the time you finish pricing car and pricing the land, you will now say, okay, why can't I make more? I can definitely make more. You understand? That's how I said, okay, I can make more. I can make $3 million. I can, no, you understand that kind of excitement. I started increasing my lot size instead of me to stick to my trading plan. You see how greedy human beings can be. I started increasing my lot size. And when I increased my lot size, I took a trade. One day I lost $50. By the time my account that reduced to $250. It will start doing you, why don't you increase your lot size so you can even cover up for the loss? My brother, that's how I was just frustrated. The account became minus $20. If I was even owing the broker, they had to help me wipe my debt. So trading is a thing. See, trading, I will repeat this. Trading is an emotional business. One of the things that kills trader is greed. That's one of the major things that kills a trader, greed, the desire to make more. And all of us, we were born with that atom of greed. So you have to stick to the lot size that you should be using in your account. Using a lot size that is above your account level is like wearing an oversized shoe. And you might fall because it's not your size, it's not fitting. So this thing is going to happen to you as you're trading. It's not your village people. Nobody is chasing you. It's your mindset. It's your greed. So when it deals with you and deals with you and deals with you and deals with you, one day you tell yourself the truth and you start sticking to a trading plan. That is what I want to teach you guys. Trading for a living. Don't start forex and say you want to be a millionaire overnight. No, this is how you can start first. When you start this business, you start with $50, you start with $100. Now tell yourself, I want forex to be buying me food, or I want forex to be buying me cream or soap at the end of the month. Start gradually. Okay? At the end of the month, you were able to raise your $50 to $60. Are you getting me? You withdraw. You withdraw some of your profit and you spend it, use it to buy your cream or your soap. You raised your $50 to what? To $60. You withdraw, okay? You withdraw your $10 and use it to take care of yourself. What that means is you are seeing forex taking care of some aspect of your life. Are you getting me? Then you grow. You want to be feeding through forex. You grow like that. Before you know, you start building houses, you start buying cars, you start going on vacations through forex. Like for me now, do you know what I used to do? It's forex that funds my lifestyle. Forex funds my lifestyle. Every money that I play with is forex that helps me. You understand? I go to a bar, I'm sitting with my friends. I can decide to order a bottle of Hennessy. For example, depending on the bar, it can be 100K. Are you getting me? I will go to my phone, I will take a trade there. I will take a trade where I'm seated and I can make this amount of money with my smartphone. I will pay my bills. So forex funds my lifestyle. But we didn't just get there. We grew from stages. We grew from learning, doing it little by little. We made a lot of mistakes and we got to where we are. So the same thing I'm trying to avoid for you, because they say if you are someone who learns from mistakes, you're a wise person. Don't wait until you make those mistakes. You understand? Stick to your lot size. It's very important. Then the last is the what? The standard lot size. The last is the what? The standard lot size. And this lot size starts from what? 1.00. Now, 1 is a whole number going to what? 2.00, going to what? 3.00, going to what? 4.00, going to what? 5.00, going to what? 6.00. And it continues like that till infinity. Now, these are the kind of lot sizes that the big boys used to trade. The banks, the millionaires, the billionaires, these are the kind of lot sizes. Some even trade with 100.00. Do you get me? So now, a standard lot, a pip, if you make a pip in a standard lot, it means you have made what? $10. A pip with 1.00 is $10. A pip with 2.00 is what? $20. $20. So you see some people, you are greedy. You have $100 account and you gonna use a standard lot size. My brother, if the trade goes against you in just 10 pips, your money is gone. Oh. Just 10 pips, your account is fried. Just 10 pips, because 1 pip is what? $10. So if the trade just goes against you in 10 pips, your whole account is fried. So why would you take such risks? Why would you want to risk your hard-earned money? You understand? So you stick to a lot size that is due for your account. So if you use 3.00, what is going to be your profit per pip? What's going to be your profit per pip? If you're using 3.00, what's going to be your profit per pip? $30. Beautiful. You make what? $30. If you use this, how many? If you use 4.00, what's going to be your profit? What's going to be your profit if you use this? Yes, $40. Okay. And if you use this, what's your profit? What's your profit per pip? Awesome. $50. And if you use this, what's your profit per pip? Sorry. You use this, what's your profit? 60 what? Dollars. It continues like that. It continues like that till you use the one that you can even make what? $1,000 per pip. Now, but the people who use these lot sizes are the banks. Do you know why? They have huge equity. They can't be trading with 0.01. It's an insult. The bank will open 100.00. This can mean each pip they are making up to what? 1,000 what? Dollars. You understand? They use huge lot sizes because they are trading with billions of dollars. Are you getting me? And you that just has $50, only $50, you want to go and use a standard lot size. Well, your story will be heard because your money will go. So you need to what? Stick to what? A perfect lot size that is suitable for you. Okay? So I hope I'm making sense. I hope I'm making sense. I hope you all understand these three types of lot sizes that I just discussed with you. Awesome, 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 awesome. So do you have any question based on lot sizes? Or do you have any question based on this lot size that I've discussed so we can progress? We can do, okay, we can do something again. Give example of a standard lot size. I just did. 1.00 is a standard lot size. That's the last one I just did. Jane. Okay, I just gave an example of a standard lot size. Let me try to open my MT4 and see how we can try to open up my MT4. Okay. Yeah, that's my MT4 opening up. Okay. Remember what I taught you? For you to impute your template, you left click, you go to what? Sorry, you left click, you go to what? Templates. You can see the one I used, price action, or I use the one with my name, and boom, the chart has changed. Now, you can see the lot sizes. Let me show you now practically. These are the lot sizes. This is how they work. If you want to take a trade, you click on what? New order.
Sir, it's not recording.
It's not recording. I'm recording from my end. I'm recording from my end. Who says it's not recording? How did you know that? Yeah, I'm recording. So I was trying to say that if you want to what, see the lot size, you see here on computer they usually write it volume. Are you getting me? But on your what do they call it? On your smartphone, you have it is written what? Lot. So now can you see these lot sizes that I taught you? Are you seeing them? See 0.01. You understand? Can you see them? So now, where does this one that my mouse is right now, I don't know if you can see it clearly, 0.03. What type of lot size is it? 0.03. What type of lot size is it? Yes, it's a what? Micro lot size. Are you getting me? So now, if you use 4.00, for example, what type of lot size is it? 4.00, for example, what type of lot size is it? It's a standard what? lot size. Yes, it's a standard lot size. So this is how these lot sizes work. Now, I will also tell you what about take profit and stop loss. I will teach you about what take profit and stop loss. Now, for example, I've not started teaching you market analysis, but let me just do an analysis for you, a simple analysis for educational purposes. Now, this is USD JPY. This is the USD Japanese yen. And you can see that this market is on a downtrend. Don't worry, you might not understand what downtrend is now, but when I teach you, you have a better knowledge and what understanding. See what this market is doing. Don't worry, I'll teach you good analysis. It has gone up, it has created a high, it created a what? Low, a low, it created a what? A lower high, and here it created a what? It created a lower low, because this low here, this one is lower. So it has created what? A higher low now. And what am I expecting from this trade? That this trade is going to what? Create a what? A lower low to this level, for example. But this is where the market is right now. This is what I'm expecting that the market is going to do. Okay, this is just for educational purposes, but this is where the market is right now. Sorry, this is where the market is right now. This is where the market stopped. This is where it is right now. This is the current place where it is right now. The market is within this range. Are you getting me? Let me zoom in so you can see. So once I zoom in, now I'm either expecting, I'm waiting for this market. I've done a simple analysis now. I'm waiting for this market to break this point for me to sell. My focus is that once this market breaks this point, it's going to come what? It's going to go lower. My focus is that once this market breaks this point, it's going to go what? Lower. So I'm focusing that this market will break this point and move lower to this what? Point to create a lower low. Now, that point I'm forecasting that this market will go to, this is what is called my target. It's called my what? Target, which is what? Take profit. We call it take profit or what? Target. So this point here becomes my target. Let me write it so you understand. Now, this point here becomes my what? My target. Okay, I'm targeting this market to be here. So I'm teaching you what is called take profit now and stop loss, because you'll be hearing it a lot. This has become my target. Are you still following? Can you see my screen? Are you following, good people? My friends and family, are you following? What I'm teaching you now is called take profit. Don't worry, I've not started teaching you proper analysis, which I will, oh, somebody is lost. Okay, don't worry. I know once you see this chart, you'll be lost. Okay, but now remove the chart from your mind. Remove all these things you're seeing. Don't worry, by the time I teach you how to analyze the market, you will know how to analyze it. But what I'm talking about now is take profit and stop loss. Now, these are some of the terms you will be hearing in forex. Are you getting me? A take profit and a stop loss. Now, it's like you going into a business. Are you getting me? You want to buy, you bought pure water at 10 naira and you want to sell it at what? Okay, let me use Apple for example. I usually use this for my trainings. So remove this chart from your mind. Don't look at the chart. You bought Apple. This is the current price of Apple. Are you getting me? This is the current price of Apple. 80 naira for one apple. And you and I got an information. You and I got an information that the price of Apple, let me use digits that will be okay. You and I got an information that the price of Apple will move from 10 naira to what? 15 naira. That's the same information we got. We are both businessmen, right? And we decided to say, okay, let's buy some Apple and wait for the price to get to what? 15 naira, and we sell. Do you understand? Now, this 15 naira is your what? Your target. That's your target. It's called what? Take profit in forex trading. That's where your take profit will be. Do you understand? You bought Apple 10 naira. I'm using naira for example. And you are waiting for Apple to get to 15 naira in price before you sell. That 15 naira there is your what? Target, called what? Take profit. That 15 naira there is your what? Target that is called what? Take profit. I hope I'm making sense. That 15 naira is your target that is called what? Take profit. Now, what if the price of Apple does not increase to 15 naira? As a businessman too, you say, in case this Apple does not increase and it starts going down, I will take my loss at 9 naira, for example. Instead of Apple to go up, it started coming down in price. You say, if this Apple comes down to 9 naira, if they start selling Apple for 9 naira, this is a bad stage for me. Please what? Stop me out of this trade. So that point which you are willing to take your loss is called a what? A stop loss. Am I making sense? That point at which you want to take your loss is called a what? Stop loss. Maybe I should share. Let me stop this share and share a white screen so I'll explain it again. Okay, awesome. So what I'm trying to say is that you and I got an information that the price of Apple is going to rise from what? 10 naira to what? 15 naira. Are you getting me? This is the trade information that you and I have. So this 15 naira that you are expecting Apple to hit, that's your what? Target. But here in forex is called what? Take profit. It's called what? Take profit. That's where your take profit will be. Are you getting me? And we are saying that, we're risking 1%. We want to risk only 1% of our capital. We're saying that if Apple price does not go up and it starts coming down, it comes down to 9 naira 50 kobo, and it starts coming down to 9 naira 30 kobo. Please, if it gets to 9 naira, stop me. I don't want to take this trade. At this 9 naira point is called what? Stop loss. You don't want to keep losing. So 9 naira becomes your what? Stop loss. Why 15 naira becomes your what? Target. This is how you take trade. So you are saying that if this trade goes down, it's a bad business. Just take me out. Let me go with my loss. So that point of 9 naira becomes your what? Stop loss. Why the point of what? 15 naira becomes your what? Target. Does this make sense? Do you guys understand? Do you understand this illustration I just gave?
Yes, sir.
Please, it's past our time. I'm so sorry. Can I continue? Please, I always like sticking to time. Past our time. Can I continue? Okay. So what I just explained now, is what we call what? Stop loss and what? Take profit. You'll be hearing it in forex trading. Are you getting me? You'll be hearing, where's your stop loss? Where's your take profit? Or if I give you a trade, say go and buy Euro USD, you are supposed to ask me, sir, where's your stop loss and where's your take profit? Do you understand? As I was saying, you'll be hearing the term stop loss and what? Take profit. So you can put it in your book and write. For those of you who like having definition, we're talking about what? Stop loss and what? Take profit. Stop loss and what? Take profit. So stop loss just simply means what a trader is willing to what? Risk per trade, or what a trader is willing to what? Lose per trade. What that means is that you bought face masks. Face mask is raining now. For those of you who know this glass face shield, there are people, when it started, they were selling it 2,000 naira. Are you getting me? And a lot of people rushed into it and they bought that face mask at the rate of 2,000 naira. But today now, the price, it has gone down to up to like what? 500 naira for that face shield. You know the face shield people are using because there's coronavirus. But when it came out, it was about what? 2,000 naira. Now, if you have taken a trade, buying it at 2,000 naira, and instead of the price to go up, if you bought at 2,000 naira, you definitely want to sell 2,500, for example. You get me? So, but the price is going down. Instead of it to go up, you are now seeing people selling it for that 2,000 naira that you bought it. It's a signal that this thing is not going up, rather it's coming down. From 2,000 naira, it came to 1,500. My brother, you can decide to say, this thing is not going up. This thing is a bad investment for you. Stop me at 1,500. Let me lose 500 per face mask. Are you getting me? But if you don't have a stop loss, it will keep declining to 1,000 naira. You understand? And if you did not still sell at 1,000 naira, it will decline to 500. And before you know, coronavirus will end. You will eat all the face masks. So the stop loss helps you to determine at what point you are willing to what? Take loss on a trade. Do you understand? Is it true it's now being sold for 250? Is that true? So you see, but you bought it at 2,000 naira and you refuse to sell. Coronavirus will end and your face mask will remain with you. So if you take such trade and you see that it's not going in your direction, your stop loss will what? Take you out with some level of what? Loss. Okay. Now, what we call take profit. Take profit simply now helps you to know where to what? To know where your target is. Okay. You bought it at 2,000 naira and you sold at what? 2,500. This price here becomes your what? Target, called take profit. Do you understand? So this is what stop loss and take profit simply means in what? Forex trading. Every person should understand this. I expect people to understand it now. Okay, am I making sense? Is this clear? Is this clear? Okay, so Your target is your what? Your take profit. Why you're with the point, what you are willing to lose is your what? Your stop loss. So at this point, ladies and gentlemen, I believe we've really done a lot tonight. I don't want to continue, so I don't want people to get lost. I always like taking my training gradually so everybody will understand. That's what makes it sweet. I like breaking it down so everybody will understand at their own level. I like using examples that people are familiar with. Okay, so this is the end of the class for tonight. We've talked about lot sizes and we've talked about stop loss and what? Take profit. So ladies and gentlemen, is there any question on these two aspects that we've talked about tonight? Do we have any question? Is there a question, observation, motion, counter motion? Please don't be afraid. Don't be shy to ask questions. You are not dumb. You only want to know more. You understand? There's a saying that someone who asks questions never misses his way. And I'm not going to be bored with your question. So feel free to open up. If there are areas you don't understand that we talked about here tonight, feel free to open up and ask me questions. So I will explain it again in such a way that you grab it and you understand it better. So do we have any question in regards to what we've talked about? Okay, awesome. Mr. Camillus, do you want to type your question or you want to unmute your microphone and ask? You can do both. Jane says the particular area that someone answered $2. I don't know how he got it. Okay, let me give the illustration again. Hold on. Okay, so I was saying something. They said that someone say you get what? You get $2. There's nothing like short signal. There's nothing like short signal. Nothing like short signal, my brother. Don't go and waste your money. You have a short signal. Stick to a trading plan. There's nothing like short signal, no matter how short that signal is. You understand? Nothing like short signal. You have to still stick to a trading plan. Because you have short signal, you go and use standard lot. That's a greedy move. Now, the points where someone says $2, for example, I said if you have $100 in your trading account, I'm repeating again for Jane, and you lose 20 pip. Are you getting me? You lose. Let me write it. Loss. You lost 20 pip in a trade. 20 pips. Are you getting me? Now, but your lot size is what? 0.01. Now, remember each pip here is what? How many cents? How many cents? 10 cents. Are you getting me? So if you keep losing 10 cents, you lost 20 pips. It means you've lost what? You keep each pip is 10 cents. Remember, 10 cents, 100 cents makes what? $1. So 10 times 10 is what? 10 times 10 is what? 100. Are you getting me? So if you lose 10 pips, you've already lost what? $1. But here you lost what? You lost 20 pips. So meaning that you keep losing 10 cents 20 times. Are you getting me? You keep losing 10 cents 20 times. You keep losing this 10 cents 20 times. If you put them together, 10 cents in 20 places is $2. Jane, do you now understand? So it means that you've lost what? Minus what? $2. Okay, it means that if you lose 20 pips using this lot size, which is 0.01, you have lost what? $2. Is it not clear now? That's how that person got that answer. Okay. So, so Jane says it's clear. So Camilo say, I took a trade buy, to be specific. I typed my take profit. After the market hit my supposed take profit level, instead of gain, I saw a loss of minus 20. Why is this so, sir? Okay, Camilos, I don't know your level of trading. I don't know your level of trading, but if the market hits your take profit, your account is supposed to increase. Let's take, for example, your account is supposed to increase from $100 to what? To what? Maybe $120. That's your account is supposed to be move from $100 to $120. But if it hits your stop loss, your account is going to reduce from $100 to what? To $80 if it hits your stop loss. So I'm not sure a trade will hit your take profit and close in loss. I've never seen that before. So that's why I say I don't know your level of proficiency in trading, but I've never seen a scenario where trade hits take profit and closes in loss. So probably it got close to your take profit, but it did not hit. Okay, you can send me a screenshot. Let me vet it. Are you getting me? But maybe it got close to your take profit, but it did not hit, and the trade later came back to close up in loss. But if this is the case, if you are very sure, you have a strong case, and you can even sue whatever broker that is an offense, is stealing. So if you have a lot of evidence, you can sue any broker, you understand, for violating a trade what agreement. So is